Most developers look at abstract classes and interfaces and say, they do the exact same thing. They are wrong. This single misunderstanding is why junior codebases collapse under their own weight. To build scalable, decoupled software, you must stop asking how to use them and start asking why they exist. Look beyond syntax to understand the difference. An abstract class is all about identity. It defines what an object is, forcing a strict hierarchy and passing down core genetic traits and internal state in memory. An interface is all about capability. It defines what an object can do. It doesn't care about who you are or your origin. It only cares that you fulfill a strict, completely stateless architectural contract. When junior developers use abstract classes for everything, they create tight coupling. They accidentally lock their software code into rigid, unchangeable, and fragile family trees that eventually collapse. But when you architect with interfaces, you break those structural chains, allowing completely unrelated systems to interact seamlessly and scale without weight. Remember, an abstract class defines identity, what an object is. An interface defines functionality, what an object can do. Master this difference, and you'll write cleaner, more flexible code. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.